Convert image in WPS Spreadsheet. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want a quick way to convert printed tables or images into editable Excel files using their phone. It saves time compared to manual typing and improves productivity. First, open your handphone to begin the process. Next, open WPS Office on your phone so you can access its features. After the application loads, click Create to start a new task. Then go to the Tools menu located at the bottom of the screen for additional options. From there, tap More to expand the available tools. Now select Image to Excel from the Tools menu to begin the conversion process. After that, click Select Pictures to choose an image from your device. Then select from the album where your images are stored. Next, select the image you want to convert into an Excel file. Once you have made your choice, click Confirm to proceed. Before processing, crop or rotate the image if necessary to improve accuracy. After adjusting, press Start to let the application analyze the image. When the conversion is complete, click Export to prepare the file for saving. Then rename the desired file so it is easy to recognize later. After renaming, click Save to store the file on your device. Finally, preview the file to make sure the data has been converted correctly. Carefully check the table structure, text, and formatting to confirm everything appears as expected. If you notice any errors, you can repeat the process and adjust the image before starting again. This method allows you to quickly turn images into editable Excel files using your phone. It is especially useful for scanning documents, receipts, or printed tables without typing them manually. By following these steps in order, you can achieve accurate results and save time during data entry tasks. Always ensure the image is clear and well aligned before conversion to get the best possible output every time you use this feature.